having a relationship with Israel is seen as almost like a death sentence or a bear hug in the Middle East. And that's one of the taboos that needs to be broken. The Jews are an indigenous people of the Middle East, and the state that they have established has a right to be there just like any other state for any other ethnicity in the Middle East. Now, that is a taboo, I think, that has largely been tackled in the last few years, especially since Trump's first term with the Abraham Accords and the normalization of ties between Israel and the UAE, Bahrain, and a couple of other countries has helped in breaking that taboo in having a relationship with Israel. One of the first countries in the Middle East that did that was Turkey, or, it was one of the first countries in the area to recognize Israel as a Jewish state. So what we're talking about now is the Kurdish people also establishing these very legitimate ties from going from largely
But
intelligence-based relations. We are at a point now where this relationship can be politically explained to their own bases, whether it's in Israel or whether it's amongst the Kurdish people.